Konkan, a region of pristine beaches, coastal flavors, and deep-rooted culture. For me, Konkan is home. Excited to show you Sindhudurga and Ratnagiri, my style. Only on Flavors of Maharashtra. और वो कहते हैं ना, ये वाह, कोकण आपलंच असं.
Tangy, sweet, salty, and extra spicy too. Maharashtra is a melting pot of diverse tastes and food traditions.
बहुत ही लजीज लग रहा है ये.
इसकी हवा टाइट होनी चाहिए.
Join us as we travel across the state to explore its culture, cook with local communities,
Yes.
I can't wait to eat.
and unravel histories with culinary experts.
I'm Deepti Bhatnagar.
This is Abhinav Shukla.
Hi, I'm Pooja Sawant.
I'm Sana Makbool.
Maharashtra Tourism presents Flavors of Maharashtra.
A narrow strip of land between Arabian Sea and the Sahyadris. Konkan is believed to have been created by Lord Parshuram. This 720 kilometers long coast is rich in natural beauty, ancient temples, magnificent forts and picture-perfect beaches.
पुराना है.
20 साल पुरानी बोट है और इसी बोट से अभी भी आप लोग फिशिंग कर रहे हैं. आप जिस नेट से फिश पकड़ते हैं ना, वो जाला कितना बड़ा होता है?
जाला तरी 200 मीटर 200-300 मीटर होता है.
200-300 मीटर होता है. ये एक्चुअली बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये ऐसे फिशिंग करना, बिकॉज व्हेन दे आर कमिंग बैक विद द फिश 1000 टन वेट होता है along with this boat and 20 men on the boat. It is very difficult. खरंच मान लो, hats off तुम्हाला.
Variety of fish is available on this coast. Okay, you get small fish, you have a huge fish like kingfish or Indian salmon or sailfish or Indian herring. All these types of fish are available on the coastal region. I'm Dr. Mohsina Mukaddam. I'm passionate about eating, cooking and researching food. What is the basis of Konkani food culture? Then it is the trinity of rice, coconut and fish.
Do you know where am I? I'm at a place where I grew up. Yes, मैं अभी मेरे गांव में हूँ जो कोकण में है, जिसका नाम है कुनकवड़े. बहुत ही छोटा सा खूबसूरत गांव है और जहाँ पे मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. So this is one beautiful memory of my childhood from Konkan when I used to play touch me not game with these plants. कोकण की एक और खासियत जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, the comforting Malwani cuisine.
Malwani cuisine is a generic term used for the non-vegetarian coastal food. This style of food became popular among others, but people who are from this coastal region, they can identify the subtlety in the cooking style.
आज मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाने वाली हूँ मालवनी authentic food. I'm making pomfret fry. This is coated with Malwani masala and rava. And now I'm going to make authentic Malwani prawns curry. The authentic Malwani food is ready. It's time for me to eat this. सोलकड़ी राइस ये कॉम्बिनेशन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सोलकड़ी कोकम से बनती है and it's a great digestive. Perfect balance of fresh coconut, chilies and dhania seeds. This prawn curry is definitely very delicious. महाराष्ट्र के बॉर्डर पे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत टाउन है जिसका नाम है सावंतवाड़ी. Once it was a royal kingdom ruled by Sawant Bhosle family. Even today, you can experience that old world charm in Sawantwadi Palace. Well, I've come to meet the royal family. नमस्कार नमस्कार. सर खूप छान वाटलं इथे येऊन आणि I must appreciate the palace is very beautiful.
There was never a place called Sound in the beginning, but it came to be after my family ascended from the Deccan Plateau in 1627. And what we are in now was part of the Darbar Hall.
I can see so many swords over there.
Yes, because we fought so many battles.
सर मला इथे एक छान सिंहासन दिसतंय. I really want to know about this. Please tell me.
This was म्हणजे माझ्या वडिलांसाठी केलं होतं त्यांच्या राज्याभिषेकच्या टायमाला. Now I'll take you to the museum. First and foremost, I'll show you the family tree. From our first ancestor who came down here, the branches are there.
I think it's a coronation day.
Yes, this is my father's coronation.
That's your father's coronation.
Yes, this is my father. So that you see the throne there also.
खूप छान तुम्ही जपून ठेवलं हे सगळं. I'm personally very overwhelmed to be here.
It boosts your immune systems.
सावंतवाड़ी पैलेस की पहचान है यहाँ का आर्टिस्टिक हैंड पेंटेड लैक्रे आर्ट एंड द आर्ट ऑफ मेकिंग गंजीफा प्लेइंग कार्ड्स. Hello, hi Shraddha, namaskar. So Shraddha is a beautiful daughter-in-law of Sawant Bhosle Parivar, and now she's going to tell me about Ganjifa art.
It's been in the family from the 16th century, and it flourished under the patronship of the Sawant Bhosles. And in 1971, because the art was lost for a little while, so in 1971, my grandparents-in-law, they revived this art form, and today all what we have is thanks to their efforts.
Exactly. Can you see the queen here? We've seen this queen like many times on like common cards, but these cards are not common at all because completely handmade and बहुत time लगा होगा ना ये करने के लिए.
So this is our artist Pradnya Panchal. She is right now painting the #1 Matsya card of our Dashavatar Dar Chitri Ganjifa.
Dashavatar, correct.
So we are most popularly known for this Ganjifa. Ganjifa was practiced once upon a time by all the states in India.
Oh.
Now currently we have only 3 states in India that are practicing it. Sawantwadi is one of them.
Is one of them.
Yeah.
Everyone must come to Sawantwadi and have a look at this Ganjifa art what they are making because it's our tradition. We have to preserve this. We have to continue with this tradition. अगर आप सावंतवाड़ी आ रहे हैं then you must visit Chittarodi market. यहाँ artisans beautiful wooden toys बनाते हैं, from fruits and vegetables to interesting objects. Every toy is crafted with perfection. और सावंतवाड़ी के पास पिंगुड़ी गांव की पहचान है यहाँ की ठाकर आदिवासी कम्युनिटी. They once practiced 11 performing arts, including string puppetry, shadow puppetry, and chitrakathi. These artistic traditions are now being preserved by Parshuram Gangaune's family through Thakar Adivasi Kala Ankan Museum and Art Gallery.
ही कला जंगलामधूनच आलेली आहे आणि जंगलामधून जे आलेले आहे ते आदिवासीच लोकांमधून ही कला बाहेर पडलेली आहे. अन्यथा कोणाकडून ही बाहेर पडलेली नाही. ही कला निर्जीव आहे. कळसूत्री बावल्या म्हणा, चांबड्याच्या बावल्या म्हणा, चित्रकथी म्हणा, ह्या निर्जीव कला आहे आणि तिला सजीव करणं हे ठाकर समाज करतो. ही कला मी जिवंत ठेवली म्हणून आज मला भारत सरकारने पद्मश्री सारखं आज अवॉर्ड मला मिळालेला आहे.
कोकण का इतिहास सदियों पुराना है और इसकी झलक हमें यहाँ के पुराने मंदिरों में मिलती है. अभी मैं हूँ कुणकेश्वर जो देवगढ़ में है, जिसे कोकण का काशी भी कहा जाता है. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva और इस मंदिर का निर्माण 11th century से पहले किया गया था. Isn't it amazing? And this temple is also surrounded by beautiful sea. कोकण की सदियों पुरानी परंपरा में शामिल है यहाँ का कलनरी आर्ट, which is being preserved with care in the coastal villages. एक स्पेशलिटी है राइस फ्लावर से बने शिरवाए जो कोकोनट रस के साथ खाए जाते हैं, और धुंडस, a monsoon delicacy made using wild cucumber.
Another important feature of Konkani style cooking is they have brought an harmony between nature and culture. What is available in nature is used in such a way that nothing goes to waste. Everything is utilized.
Malvan Coast is a paradise for adventure buffs. और अभी मैं जा रही हूँ Tsunami Island to get my dose of adventure.